Let's make some delicious crispy chicken tacos. First thing you need is 2 toes of garlic. Small toes or big toes if you want big toes. I'll be using 2 big toes today because I just happen to have 2 big toes. You can of course choose how much you want. Anyway, cut your garlic into small pieces and put them in a bowl. Get a red bell pepper and cut this one into small pieces as well. Make sure to cut everything nice and small. Now, we're going to add the bell pepper to the garlic together with taco spices. Now, I'll be using a pre-made seasoning mix for this. However, if you want to make your own, I'll put the ingredients in the description of this video so you can make your own. Mix everything together so the spices are nicely mixed in with the rest of the ingredients. For the chicken part of our crispy chicken tacos, I'm going to use some chicken thighs. Cut your chicken thighs into pieces as well and add some pepper and salt. Bake your chicken in a pan on a medium fire until they are well cooked and nicely browned. Now to construct your taco. Get yourself some small wraps and place them on a baking sheet. Cover half of each wrap with some fresh spinach, your garlic, bell pepper and spice mix, chicken, and some grated cheese of your choice. Fold your tacos together. I added a weight so the tacos don't flip open. Now place them in the oven for a few minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese has molten and the tacos start to be crispy. Chicken tacos. The wrap didn't really want to get very crispy, which is a little bit disappointing, but it still looks pretty nice. I'm going to wait till it cools down a little bit and then I'll be doing a taste test. Ta-da! Let's see what they taste like. At least the wrap kind of kept its shape, even though they're not very crispy, which is nice. It completely falls apart when you eat it, but it is very nice. It's nice taste, spicy from the taco mix. But if you eat it, make sure you have a plate underneath because it completely falls apart every time you take a bite. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.